Hello children, today let us discuss about 12th chapter of class 6, Asia, a land of contrast. In this lesson, we will discuss about location, extent, physical setting and regional divisions of Asia. Asia is the largest of all the continents. Asia is called as the continent of contrast because it has the greatest variety in terms of physical features, climate, vegetation, wildlife, soil, etc. It has the highest mountains, plateaus, vast fertile plains, deserts, river systems, and lakes. There is diversity in languages, religions, uneven distribution of population and density. Extent. Asia's total geographical area is approximately 44 million square kilometers. It covers 33% of the land surface of the world. Asia almost wholly lies in the northern hemisphere. Physical setting. The continent is bordered by the Arctic Circle in the north. To its south lies the Indian Ocean. In the southwest, Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea separate it from Africa. Pacific Ocean fills the gap between Asia and North America. Regional divisions of Asia. There are 48 countries in Asia. They are usually grouped into following 5 major regional divisions. First one is East Asia. It includes China, North Korea, South Korea, Japan, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Mongolia. They are between the vast expanses of Russia to the north and the countries of South Asia and Southeast Asia to the south. Southeast Asia includes Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, and Brunei. South Asia includes the countries like India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and the Maldives. India is a giant among these countries. The Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, and the Indian Ocean are the water bodies which are to the south. To the north are the Himalayan mountains, Myanmar is to the east, and Afghanistan is to the west. Southwest Asia includes Afghanistan, Bahrain, Cyprus, Turkey, Iran, Iraq, Israel, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Oman, Qatar, Syria, Palestine, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, and Yemen. Central Asia extends from the Caspian Sea in the west to China in the east and from Kazakhstan in the north to Iran and Afghanistan in the south. It comprises of Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Siberia. That's all for today, children. Thank you.